How you guys doing out there? It's Lorenzo Hunt Real Estate in the Capital Region, and I get a lot of questions from buyers, and I figured I'd come see Mike Rankin from ClearPath Mortgage Solutions. And Mike, thanks for having us.
Yeah, thanks for being here, Lorenzo.
So Mike, my question to you is, I've got a buyer, they want to go out and take a look at the house. They know they've got to come see you and get pre-qualified to do so, but they are really protective of their credit. They don't want their credit pulled. How do we get around that?
Yeah, first thing is really understanding how credit works. I call it the credit score game, because those of you who pay cash for everything, your credit score is probably not perfect because you haven't been playing the credit score game. Does that mean you're bad with money? Absolutely not. So understanding how credit works. The first thing I tell people is there's 40 different types of credit scoring models out there. So what you have on Credit Karma or your Capital One card or whatever credit card you're using, the credit score they have, that's not the credit score that you're going to see the mortgage company has for you. Because we're going to pull what's called a Tri-Merge Mortgage Credit Report. So first thing is, you don't really know where you're at until you pull that credit report one time. So having your credit pulled one time by a mortgage company, your score may go down in Credit Karma, but there's no real foundation to know what that score is in the mortgage world until it's pulled one time. And the second thing is, once we know your credit score, we can help advise you from there. But the bigger question is, how many times should I have my credit pulled? If you've already had a mortgage company pull a Tri-Merge Mortgage Credit Report, you can have up to, I've actually been told by the bureaus themselves, the credit bureaus, up to 8 credit pulls in a 30-day window. In that 30-day window, you're going to see the credit score should be exactly the same, unless you yourself as the home buyer have changed something on your credit report. You have a late payment, you got new credit or new debt, or your balances have increased. All those things could change your credit score from lender to lender depending on when that credit is pulled. So I think, I suggest meeting with at least one mortgage company, finding out where they're at, and then if you're going to have multiple places pull your credit, do it within a 30-day window, and that'll ensure that you're not going to see your credit score drop at multiple lenders.
That's a great answer. Thanks, Mike. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Lorenzo.